This is a video for the proficiency scale for the first quiz in Algebra 2 in the first trimester. So your quizzes have 3 tiers, and as you move through each tier, the problems become progressively more difficult. And this basically just lays out, your scores as you I guess, conquer each tier. So if you just do tier 1 problems, you're going to have a 20%, which obviously you're going to do more than that. Um, and it's the simplest level of all of the problems for that particular standard. So on the first quiz, interpreting key features and constructing graphs of quadratic functions is the standard. And so basically graphing, given the function in standard or vertex form. Tier 2, you're going to move into identifying key features of the quadratics, and also mastery of Tier 1 is included in that. So if you get all the problems right through Tier 2, that's an 80%. And then, of course, Tier 3 is using the concepts that you've learned to kind of go outside of the normal problems to extrapolate, I guess, your using the knowledge to solve problems beyond just the normal set of givens and formulas and data. So that involves looking at a table and filling in coordinates, and then using the symmetry between the vertex point and the two x-intercepts to answer questions about coordinates. So what that looks like on the quiz, so here's tier 1, where you're given a graph. Here's tier 2, when you're going to decide if you have standard or vertex form, and then you're going to answer questions on many of the properties that are important. Pretty simple to do still if you follow the notes that I give you. And then tier 3 are questions that deal with the symmetry in quadratics, asking you to go beyond the given set of standards that we have to answer the questions. Not all the time are tier 3 problems really hard. You're just going beyond the given standard for what is being asked. And that is the first proficiency scale for the first quiz.